So this next song is actually one I've never performed live since 2007, when it was originally written, or was it 2006? Anyway, the reason I'm going to sing this next song is that lately we've been seeing a spate of murders of children. And yes, something that starts not in the home, but in the heart. You know, we have to change the hearts. So this song is called Cleve. It was originally written due to the incident with Sean Luke, I remember that name, 2006. The solution is not just external, it's within, it's spiritual. The lyrics will reflect that. So let's hear it. Kid. This song is actually with some parentheses in which I state, for all innocence, not just human children, but all species. Little child, what did you do to anyone? Now you cannot run, now you are gone. A life now started, some done. Little boy, you could be anybody's son. They murdered you, and now we feel blue. And we ask, what can we do? Is this what we must continue to let pass? Is the government just sitting on their pants? Actions long overdue. It's time past. Must be done fast. Lady, you could be anybody's mom. They murdered your child and made you numb. Yet the leaders seem to remain dumb. People, we've got to remember that we are all in this. It may not be your child this time, but yours can also be missed. Is this what we must continue to let pass? Is the government just sitting on their pants? Actions long overdue, the time's long past. Must be done fast. Dear God, we know it's Cali, you're gone. That's the age we're in right now. All of this nastiness It cannot exclude. Only when we obey and things go our way. Open all our hearts, our minds, and let us all finally pray, 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 pray. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. So, chant over the names of God, and so all living to be purified. Thank you.
Very positive messages in the house.